If you're seeing an Epic Games server error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into the launcher, sign in properly, and stop the error from coming back. These issues are usually caused by a service outage, a bad system clock, corrupted cache files, DNS problems, VPN interference, or simple connection hiccups. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, before changing anything on your PC, open your browser and visit epicgames.com. Check the Epic Games Store status and the login services to make sure they are showing as operational. If Epic's servers are having issues, then the problem is not on your end, and the best fix is simply to wait until the service is restored. But if everything looks normal, move on to the next step. Now let's sync your system clock because an incorrect date or time can cause authentication problems with Epic Games. On Windows, open Settings, go to Time and Language, then Date and Time, and click Sync Now. Also make sure the time zone is set correctly for your region. Once the clock is synced, try reopening the Epic Games launcher and see if the error is gone. If not, the next thing to do is flush your DNS. This helps clear out old network data that may be causing the launcher to connect poorly. To do that, open Command Prompt as administrator, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. You should see a confirmation that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, close the window and test the launcher again. If the error still appears, it's time to clear the Epic Games launcher cache. This is one of the most effective fixes because corrupted cache files often cause login and server problems. First, fully exit the launcher from the system tray so it is not running in the background. Then press Windows key and R, type %local app data % and hit Enter. Inside the folder that opens, find Epic Games Launcher, then open Saved and delete the web cache folder. If you see more than one web cache folder, remove those too. Don't worry, this will not delete your games. It only clears temporary launcher data. Once that's done, restart the launcher and check if the server error is fixed. Another thing that can trigger Epic Games connection problems is a VPN. If you're using one, turn it off temporarily and try again. VPNs can sometimes interfere with login servers or make Epic think your connection is coming from a different region. After disabling the VPN, relaunch Epic Games and test the connection. If the issue continues, power cycle your router. Unplug your router from power for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for it to fully reconnect. This can refresh your network connection and clear temporary internet issues. After your internet comes back online, open the launcher again and see if it loads correctly. Finally, if nothing else has worked, try running the Epic Games launcher as administrator. Right-click the launcher shortcut and choose Run as administrator. This gives the program the permissions it needs to connect properly and can sometimes resolve stubborn server or login errors. If the launcher opens normally after that, you may want to keep using it this way or create a permanent admin shortcut if needed. At this point, one of these steps should have fixed the Epic Games server error. If the problem still isn't resolved, go back and repeat the steps in order, especially the cache clear, DNS flush, and system clock sync because those are the most common causes. I hope this tutorial helped you get back into Epic Games quickly. If it did, please like the video, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another gaming error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.